All right, we are here to replace 60-gallon water heater power vented. What we're gonna do is we shut the gas basically off here, and after that we did already shut the water valves off. We're gonna drain the system by a hose, regular hose, and after that we start to open this one, union for the gas, disconnect the pipes and disconnect the venting system, take it out, and then put the new one. So we already did the hose to make it breathing. We just let it breathe from here. Okay, so then we take the venting. So we already draining the water as it goes. Full gas pipe has been disconnected. Venting system has been disconnected. Pipeline been disconnected both sides. So, but it still is kind of quite heavy. So we have to wait until it gets a little bit drained or even full drain. Look at the size of the vendor motor exhaust here is from the beginning is 3 inches, but the other one I just noticed is 2 inches that we have to put the adapter of 2 to 3, and that's the only thing that I guess we have to go and provide it. Otherwise the whole thing is already there. To save time before that gets full empty, so we put it a little bit at the side. Then we'll bring the new one, we put it there while we're doing our installation. Then the tank gets empty here. So tank is already here. So he's putting a Teflon. He's already says here is cold and the other side is hot. And we already know that that pipe is cold, that is coming to the cold connection. So we are tightening up the gas pipe, the same connections back. All right, so this is end of the job. Everything has been installed. Comes as a factory set. So you have to just turn the switch on and bring it to hot or any level that customer looking to have. I'll put it on a B. They have, and then your exhaust fan will start to work. And after that, the gas will release, and you will see the flame at the bottom. So we go there, flame is there. This is the water coming from the tap for the first time. Obviously it's cleaning the pipes. And here you go, the water is just coming.